hear ye. I'm here because it is part 2 of One Day. Okay. I heard thundering. I'm scared. Let's see what Bob and Tucker have to say about this report. I want it to rain bones. I want it to rain bananas. Bones? Bananas. Bones? Bananas. Bones? Bananas. Hurricane Irene has to say something on this action. Well, hello, chaps. I am Hurricane Irene again. You know I did a lot of damage before. Well, that was just Philly business. 'Cause, you know how hurricanes are. Well, you know, Hurricane Sandy is a lot more violent. It will hurt you. You will not survive if it hurts you really, really bad. So, I already had to chat like that. Oh yeah, I already said that. 3 times more, so I said that too. Well, really not to say, but it's going to rain until Friday. It's going to be really sunny Friday. Because all of that rain might turn into a rainbow. We'll go. Bye, chaps. Tiny. Breaking news! Well, Bob will tell you. We're flooded where we are right now. It is flooded in North Wildwood. Okay? More breaking news! In the southern New Jersey, it is flooding! Be-ba-bye, be-ba-da-ba, be-do-ba on this weather blues.